Hello all my crafty cuties and welcome back. Well, winter's here you guys, and you know what that means. Christmas is just around the corner, and guess what? Santa has already come to town. So just a few weeks ago, Doodlebug released their new Christmas collection for 2018. It actually dropped before the Halloween collection, which I thought was a little bit strange, but you know what guys, I'll take it. So I was able to grab a few of the essentials from the collection from a local scrapbook expo, and I'm going to take you guys through them. They are super cute. You guys know I always love Doodlebug. It is just so kawaii. So anyway guys, drop a like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this haul. So the first two items from the collection that I picked up and that I was so happy to find were the 6x6 paper pad and the Doodlebug odds and ends, which is the Doodlebug ephemera. You guys, it is so cute. I'm not going to open the package because like literally it takes forever to show them all, but as you guys can see, they are adorable. Also, I can show you a picture on the back here of all the different ones. There's like Christmas trees. You get a few Christmas trees. You get all of the little elves, a whole bunch of Santas. There you got his sleigh and a whole bunch of different characters. You get the reindeer. They are so cute, you guys, and they are like the perfect size for crafting. So I love those, and I did pick those up. These are Canadian prices, by the way, you guys. And all this stuff did drop on scrapbook.com yesterday. Some of it actually dropped a few weeks ago, but they didn't have it all in until yesterday, so I will definitely be leaving the link. So the collection this year is called Christmas Town, so it basically features Santa, you know, Mrs. Claus, and all the little elves and stuff like that. I will give you a really quick flip through of the 6x6 paper pad. So you do get like the candy cane stripe, and then more like traditional Christmas papers, and then you have like some non-traditional. There's polka dots. I did get some of the 12x12s of my favorites. That one is super cute. And then here you get a border page. I probably got a bigger one of those to show you. That side you get some holly, you get some Christmas trees. Here is the cutout page. This page has some Santas with the ho ho ho. I did get a few of these. I think these are going to be great for making cards. A few of the extra single 12x12 sheets, I should say. This is another of my favorite pages from the collection. It is just so adorable, so I will definitely show you guys the bigger print of that. Yeah, and then there's just a bunch more pages. This one with the little elves is so super adorable, and then this one with the pastel pink and the candy canes, love that one too. And then it seems like every Christmas they seem to have a page that is kind of for like a make your own advent calendar type of thing. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I have ordered a few of those in the 12x12 as well. And then I think it just basically repeats, so that is super cute. Oops, so I did get that. I also got these sugar plum die cuts. Now, I don't know if these are actually new for this year. No, okay, they say 2015, but you guys, they are super cute. So this comes with 18 reversible die cuts, and even though they aren't actually from this year's collection, as you can see, they still match totally perfectly, and I thought they would be super cute for crafting. Look at the little house and the gumdrops and the trees. Oh my goodness, I love it. So I also got these stickers again from the expo, and these are actually from the Milk and Cookies collection. They did not actually have the full new Christmas Town collection. Also, I didn't really like the washi tapes, so I just didn't grab them. But this is from the Milk and Cookies collection, and I think it is so adorable. I actually like it a little bit better than the Christmas Town collection, so I have ordered some more elements of this collection from scrapbook.com, and these are the mini icon stickers. You do get 2 sheets. They are both the same, and I did get that as well. So it was kind of weird. Like I was saying in the beginning of the video, parts of the collection dropped a few weeks ago. I was able to pick them up at the Scrapbook Expo, and parts of the collection were even on scrapbook.com a few weeks ago. However, other parts of the collection didn't drop till today, like the washi tape, some of the doodle pops, and the cardstock stickers. I do definitely have that stuff on the way, and I will definitely share it with you guys when it arrives. For now, these were the elements of the new collection that I was able to grab, and I do have some of the 12 by 12s to share with you as well. However, I did definitely want to pick up some doodle pops while I was there. So some of the doodle pops that I found were these ones right here, and these are the mini doodle pops. These are from the Polar Pals collection, and as far as I know, these are also available on scrapbook.com. Actually, yes, they are for sure, because I have ordered more of them. I have actually ordered this entire collection just because it is so pretty. Here is some of the shape sprinkles from the same collection, and this is basically all of the colors in the collection. It has a bunch of purples and blues and grays, and I absolutely love it. So I did get the shape sprinkles as well. They have also come out with some new snowflake shape sprinkles that match the new Christmas Town collection, so I do have those ones on the way as well. And like I said, I will share them with you guys when they arrive. I also picked up these Santa Doodle Pops, and I think they are so cute. Now, once again, these aren't the new ones from 2018, but they still match with any of the Christmas Doodle Pop or Doodlebug collections perfectly. And that Santa on that pastel gingham chair, I just could not say no, so I had to pick up a few of those as well. I also grabbed some stickles while I was there to go with my Christmas collections, and I got some Nouveau drops that I thought would go good for Christmas crafting as well. So I did get 3 new stickles, and I think this one right here is my favorite. So I couldn't exactly remember which one I had at home, and it turned out it was this one called Diamond. So I did end up picking up a Twinkle, and then this one right here, which is called Frosted Lace, and I think that will be really pretty for Christmas projects. I also got a few new bottles of Nouveau drops. Once again, like, I'm totally thinking snowflakes when I'm looking at these, and wow, this is actually my favorite, and for some reason the camera is not doing justice at all. But anyway, this one here is called Sunlit Meadow, and it is so gorgeous. It is basically like a glitter mint. Then we've got this one over here, and this one is called Aquatic Mist, and I absolutely love it, and I'm pretty sure scrapbook.com has this color as well. Then over here we have got Blue Babe, and these are the gloss drops. And then we've got some pearl drops over here, and these are Ivory Seashell. Very pretty. So now I'm going to take you guys through the 12 by 12 papers, and hopefully everybody stuck around because you guys, these are just absolutely adorable. Sorry, I've got some leftover Halloween confetti. Anyway, oh my goodness. So this is the first page right here, and I think that this one is actually called Christmas Town. And it is so cute. You can see all the little elves and their houses and their shops, and I love it. And then the back is just kind of this boring, I don't know, it almost, does it look like craft? The paper kind of reminds me of craft paper. So yeah, and it also kind of reminds me of a cookie. And then we've got this one over here with the little snowman, and here is the reverse side. Then we've got this one over here, which is again so super cute. It is the one that I was trying to show you with the 6x6, but unfortunately the 6x6 is so small, it's just kind of hard to grasp on camera. Sorry, I'm not showing all of the little whatchamacallits barcodes, but I will leave you guys the links. I'll just leave you like one link that will lead to all of the Doodlebug Christmas stuff. So here is another of my favorite pages in the collection. This one is called Candy Cane Lane, and I absolutely adore it. It is so cute, and of course the back looks like a candy cane. or candy cane stripes, I should say. And then here is one of those pages that I told you guys, it kind of like reminds me of like a make your own advent calendar type of deal. So I think that me and Chase may possibly make our own advent calendar this year. And it is super cute. This is again from the new collection. Here is the back. I've actually ordered a few more of these. I think that this back page here will be great for layering for cards. Here is another of my favorites from the collection. Now, I did get all of these at the expo, so I wasn't thinking, because you guys know if I had been ordering these from scrapbook.com, I definitely would have been getting doubles. However, I do have more coming. So this is, again, from the new collection, Christmas Town, and it is one of my favorite papers. And then the back just looks like this. I think, again, this is supposed to be craft. Like, see how it has the little marks and stuff? And I did see in one of these scrapbook.com Doodlebug showcases that they did say they were adding the element of craft to this year's collection. So now this is from a past collection. This is called Sugar Plums, and I absolutely love this paper. I definitely want to get more of it. I don't know if they have it on scrapbook.com, but if they do, I am definitely going to be ordering some. I did pick this up at the expo, however, and I love it. Yeah, the back is just like that. And then these last few here are actually from a scrapbook.com order that I put through around Halloween, but I did see some Christmas things that were like going out of stock, and I did want to pick them up, so I did grab them. So these last few are from scrapbook.com. So I did get a few sheets of this one because I just think it is so super adorable, and this one is called Dashing Deer. It is so cute, and once again with the baby blue. As you guys can see, I am like going with a baby blue theme, a major baby blue theme, and a pastel theme for my Christmas crafting, and you will see that even more when the Polar Pals collection arrives. So I did get 2 sheets of that. I did get 1 sheet from this Home for the Holidays collection. Sorry guys, my nails make it so hard to pick up anything. And I thought these deer were so cute with a little love heart, and it just reminded me of the Rudolph movie. And then the back has a red, is that a gingham? It's not gingham, but there, now you can see. I don't know what you call that print, but it probably definitely has a name. And then this one here, again, I thought was super cute. And it is in the more traditional Christmas colors. And you've got your Santa, your green and red, and then the back is more candy cane stripes. Woo, that was hard to look at. But yeah, Santa is super cute. And then these next few are from another one of my favorite collections. These are actually papers that go with these stickers right here. And these are from the Milk and Cookies collection. It is so freaking kawaii. Just look at that. So like this could be used for Valentine's Day. This could be used for any time of the year, not just Christmas. And I absolutely love it. And then the reverse side is just as freaking gorgeous. So I have ordered a whole bunch more of these. Look at that, guys. They fit with my blue / mint / pastel Christmas theme perfectly. So I am loving that. I also got these little gingerbread guys over here, Jolly Gingerbread page. I thought they were super freaking adorable. So I did get 1 sheet of that. And then again, here on the back, you've got like the make your own advent calendar type of deal I was telling you about before. And look at that little, oh my goodness, look at the cakes. Like everything is just so kawaii. I love it. And then this right here is one of my all-time favorites. Again, it is from the Milk and Cookies collection. I will give you guys a good view of it. Okay, look at all the Christmas candy. And honestly, the color is even prettier. It is like this beautiful mint blue. And oh my goodness, it is so lovely and I love it. So I have ordered 3 or 4 more sheets of this. There is the barcode. It is called Candy Christmas, and the back side, ooh, is it pastel? It has a bit of pink. And then here we have another Santa one over here. And once again, it has got like the baby blue with the snowflakes, so it is perfect for my Christmas crafting theme. I also love this background right here of the brick. I think that is so cool. So I actually have a few more of these coming as well. And then last but not least, for the Christmas papers, we have this one here, which is from the Here Comes Santa Claus collection, which was the Doodlebug 2016 Christmas collection. And it just has a whole bunch of crazy, silly little Santas, again with the baby blue. And then the back of this one is actually awesome because you get some sentiments. So I didn't even notice that when I ordered it. But yeah, you get some sentiments. So other than that, I just got some random papers here to go with my Christmas crafting. I did get one green, I did get one red, and then I got these two. These two are both from the Doodlebug gingham and linen collection. And again, as you can see, perfect with the blues and the mints and everything, and it's just gonna match so perfectly, as you can see. Yes. Okay guys, well it looks like that is everything for this week's Doodlebug haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you happen to miss my latest Michael's haul, where I hauled this awesome ribbon and a whole bunch of other magical Christmas stuff, I will leave that link in the description down below. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.